What if I told you that you don't need ChatGPT, Claude, or any online tool to explore large language models? You can now run AI, yes, powerful AI, right from your own machine. In this video, we'll show you how to set up Ollama, download a small but powerful model called Llama 3.2, and start chatting with it like a local genius assistant. No cloud, no subscriptions, just you and your personal AI. Ollama is a tool that lets you run large language models locally. It takes care of everything from model downloading to inference. Think of it like Docker for AI models. Just one install and you're ready to run models like Llama, Mistral, and more offline. Let's get you set up. Step 1. Go to ollama.com/download and choose your OS, Mac, Windows, or Linux. Step 2. Install it like any regular app. For Windows and Mac, it's a one-click installer. On Mac, Linux, you can use Terminal. There's so many models that you can download and set up locally. You can go to the Models page to see what is available. Today, we are going to set up Llama 3.2 from Meta. So, now you installed Ollama, let's set up the model. All you have to do is open your terminal and try this command. That's it. Ollama will download the Llama 3.2 model for you. The model we're running is Llama 3.2b, the smaller sibling in the powerful Llama 3 family. While larger models like 70B require cloud GPUs, this one is optimized for local use. It's fast, light on RAM, and surprisingly capable. Perfect for testing, prototyping, or learning how LLMs work under the hood. Once it's running, just type your questions. I asked, explain quantum computing in simple terms. Let's see what else it can do. Like writing a poem. Okay. Write me a short poem about the moon. The model responds instantly, and it never leaves your machine. You're in full control. No API keys, no usage limits, no waiting for the cloud. Running AI locally is a huge shift. It means privacy, ownership, and freedom. Developers can prototype apps, students can learn AI concepts, professionals can build AI into their workflow without needing expensive APIs. It's democratizing AI, one laptop at a time. Only downside is that these models were trained earlier, so the latest information may not be available. Let's check it out by asking, who won the 2024 US presidential election? See what it tells you. There you go. It only has data up to 2023. So, now you know. You don't need a supercomputer to explore AI. With Ollama and Llama 3, you can be the AI whisperer from the comfort of your desk. Try it out. Break it. Build with it. And if this opened a new door for you, hit like, subscribe, and join us every week for more AI adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.